So we had a little improvement today. We have to re-inject the line at Home Depot with chlorine. One of the things is we got to make sure we got a high enough chlorine content throughout the whole system so that it'll bake over the weekend. We got advice from one of our inspectors to go buy one of these. These are a chlorine tester for pools, but they work pretty good for us. It's pretty efficient with the way they work. I'll show you how they work real quick so that we can get other crews these when we need to pay attention to the chlorine content. So this is the contents. The red one we don't really need to worry about, but the yellow one is what we're worried about. So what you do is you fill up the water on the yellow side. You rinse it out a couple times, a little quick. Then you fill up the water. If you look right here, there's a line. That's about where we want to fill it up to. And we set it down. We take this yellow, we take up the yellow one, and it says to put 5 drops into it. So we're gonna put 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now it tells us to shake it up a little bit. And then as you can see, this one's looking pretty good and hot. We need to get pretty high, so I'm gonna get it a little bit more chlorine in here, but at least on this one we can see this is probably over a 10 right now, so we're looking pretty good so far. So that's our improvement for the day. I think we can get a few of these for crews where we do need to pay attention to chlorine because it goes down to 0.5. So when we're looking for Salt Lake City, we could use some of these. All right, thank you.